Alright, are you wondering, is this product any good? Let's do an unboxing and let's see how it goes. So here I have the product. It comes like this: nc601, AutoMaster, OBD2, HD, OBD, Smog. I don't know, it doesn't say much than that. So as you can see, this is model, the display size, operating temperature, that is good. If you are working in very low temperature, I think it will be a good external power. So it doesn't have any battery or anything like that. As you can see here, it says support 16 pins and 9 pins vehicle interfaces, scanning diagnostic, OBD2 standard vehicles and support protocols, J1850, 9141, 14 to 30, 15, 765 and 1939. It says compliant, light and heavy trucks, tools, agriculture, vehicles, OBD2, diagnostic reader, live data, meal status, vehicle, mode 6, 8, smoke test, fuel, battery voltage measurement, and you have the support. So that is a good thing. Alright, so the product, it comes like that, as you can see. So it looks decent. I mean, I like the box here. And the only thing I don't like is the USB. This is the mini USB. It should be USB-C. I don't know why they don't make that. This is like the joystick port, you know, like the one that you used to have in the old computers. So as you can see here, you can plug this in like that, screw it in, and that's it. I don't like much this, but okay, it works. So basically you have this, you have the adapter, and you have only one adapter. That's it. You screw it in. Hopefully this will work in my vehicle. It comes with a USB to micro, yes, a micro USB to regular USB. Here we have the manual. So it doesn't have any battery or anything like that, but I think it should be easy to use. So as you can see here, you can plug this in here, and this work. At least for now, I didn't have any issue. I wish it could have some battery, because you know, so you plug this in the car. I don't know if it's going to be able to work just with this by itself, or you need this, or this is for something else, maybe to update the firmware or something else. Other than that, it seems like it works. I mean, it's just basic. You choose, you know, a car, truck, whatever, and that's it. So I'm going to test it and see how it goes. Maybe I'll make another video about this for now. So if you have any question, please let me know. Section below. Here you don't have here you have only one adapter. I made another video about the other one, the Nexus. Yes, Nexus, something like that. And this one, it comes same thing. You see, and it comes with more with the adapter or different vehicles. So I'm going to see which one works the best. That's it. So if you want to keep learning, go to my playlist, and you have all my classes over there on the playlist over there, or magnifying glass if you want to search for some video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.